has successfully raised more than $70 billion in what is the world's largest share sale. Well, the funds will pay for some massive new oil fields off the coast of Brazil, equivalent to more than 6 years of the company's current output. Sarah Eisen has been looking into that. She joins us now from New York. Sarah.
Andrea, finally, Petrobras sealing the deal. Eager investors pouncing along with the Brazilian government on those shares, scooping up a record $70 billion worth of new Petrobras shares. Shares were priced at a discount, 2% discount to Thursday's closing stock market price. So overall, a pretty good deal for investors looking to get a bite out of that booming energy business in Brazil. Now let's talk about the size and scope of this deal. Remember, the world's biggest IPO earlier this year, Agricultural Bank of China, Petrobras raised more than 3 times that. It also easily tops the world record for stock sales, which was Japan's telecom company NTT in 1987. Now, this is also a big win for the popular president in Brazil, and it comes just a few weeks ahead of the country's election when he's set to usher in his chosen successor. It's also a big win for Brazil, the country, and its quest to become a major player in the energy industry. Petrobras will use these funds in major oil exploration projects like Tupi, which could hold 8 billion barrels of oil, and it is the biggest discovery in the Americas in decades. Now, there were some doubts going into this deal. Some investors concerned that Petrobras, for instance, was too influenced by the government. Government owned a 32% stake before the sale. It bought more shares, so likely increasing that stake. And that question of government control has been haunting investors since the deal was announced early in the summer. The stock has been hammered. It's down 27% this year. Bigwigs like Soros and BlackRock even have dumped their holdings of Petrobras in the second quarter. So today's sale, Andrea, overall deemed a big win by analysts and investors, and it goes a long way toward restoring confidence and momentum for Brazil and the entire energy industry.
Thanks very much indeed, Sarah. Now,